Now let's connect the step motor to the driver. We will connect this part to this part on the driver. Now it's connected. Now let's connect the jumper cables to the Arduino board, like IN1, which is for the first LED will go pin number 4. The next, same as configuration of the first one, will go to 5. The next one will go to 6. And the next one will go to 7. Our driver is connected to the Arduino board. Now let's give as a connection power to the driver. Here we have a positive and a negative. The positive will go for 5 voltage and the negative will go to the ground on the Arduino board. Positive will go on the 5 voltage and the negative will go to the ground. That's it. Let's power up the Arduino with the power cord and connect to your desktop.